In this video we will explain about giving a bath to a dog. Brush your dog before the bath. This helps to remove any loose fur, tangles or mats that may be present in the dog's coat. Choose a suitable location. The location should be warm, draft-free and preferably outdoors or in a bathtub or sink. Use lukewarm water. Fill the tub or sink with lukewarm water and make sure the temperature is comfortable for your dog. Avoid using hot or cold water, as it may shock or discomfort your dog. Use a cup or a shower attachment to wet your dog's coat from head to toe. Make sure to avoid getting water in their ears and eyes. Use a dog shampoo that is specifically formulated for dogs. Apply the shampoo starting from the neck down to the tail and massage it gently into the coat. Avoid getting shampoo in their eyes and ears. Rinse your dog's coat thoroughly with lukewarm water, making sure to remove all traces of shampoo. Use a towel or a blow dryer to dry your dog's coat. If you are using a blow dryer, make sure to use the low setting and keep the dryer at a safe distance from your dog to avoid burning their skin. Once you have finished bathing and drying your dog, reward them with a treat or a toy to make it a positive experience for them.